Initial findings have suggested that the missile that hit Poland was fired by the Ukrainian forces at an incoming Russian missile, the US official said, news agency AP reported. Poland said early on Wednesday that a Russian-made missile fell in the eastern part of the country, killing 2 people in a blast that marked the first time since the invasion of Ukraine that Russian weapons came down on a NATO country. 2 people were killed in an explosion in Przewodow, a village in eastern Poland about 6 kilometers from the border with Ukraine, Polish authorities said. Earlier, US President Joe Biden said that the early information suggests it may not have been caused by a missile fired from Russia. Biden called an emergency meeting with global leaders gathered for the G20 meeting in Bali, Indonesia, after a deadly explosion in Przewodow rocked eastern Poland. There is preliminary information that contests that, Biden told reporters. I don't want to say that until we completely investigate it, but it is unlikely that it was fired from Russia, but we'll see.
There is preliminary information that contests that. I don't want to say that till we completely investigate, but it's unlikely in the minds of the trajectory that it was fired from Russia, but we'll see.
NATO said it would hold an emergency meeting of its ambassadors on Wednesday to discuss the events in Poland. Polish President Andrzej Duda told the reporters in Warsaw that it wasn't clear who launched the missile. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky slammed Russia for the attack and decried a very significant escalation. Meanwhile, Russia denied any involvement in the strike. At the request of Poland, NATO ambassadors will meet today on the basis of NATO's Article 4. According to this article of NATO, members can raise any issue of concern related to the security of a member country. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg called an emergency meeting of the alliance's envoys to discuss the events close to the Ukrainian border in Poland.